first, I will start by looking at the stem with my microscope pen. It looks quite hairy, so I will get the green and do a thickish green line. Then I'll get the pencil and do lots of tiny lines. Now I will get the pencil and draw an oval. Then I will do lots of bumpy waves. Then we will colour all of this in green. Now I will get the pencil and colour a few of them in faintly that colour. Next I will be drawing these little purple shoots. Now I will be doing lots of purple dots. And we're done.